If your Apple Watch Ultra 3 starts feeling a bit slow or an app isn't responding the way it should, you might think about closing apps to fix it. Unlike an iPhone, the Apple Watch manages apps in the background very efficiently, so you usually don't need to close them often. However, when an app freezes or behaves unexpectedly, knowing how to force close it can help refresh things quickly. The option isn't immediately obvious because watchOS keeps things minimal, which can make it confusing if you've never done it before. Once you understand the exact button combination, closing an app becomes quick and easy, helping your watch run smoothly again. Try these. Step 1. Open the app you want to close on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. Step 2. Press and hold the side button until the power menu appears. Step 3. Release the side button once you see the options. Step 4. Press and hold the digital crown. Step 5. Wait until the app closes and returns to the watch face. Step 6. Reopen the app if needed to start it fresh.